Good morning, children. How are you keeping? I hope you're keeping well. Welcome back to our new lesson today for English titled Mother Nature. All right, children, let's do some discussion. I'm going to ask you two questions. You may want to discuss these questions with your teacher. My first question: do you like spending time with nature? Why? Why not? And what do you think are the most important environmental issues that our planet is facing today? There are aplenty, isn't it? Let's discuss. If you're done discussing, now look at the sentences below. Take heed of the word nature, which is in bold. Can you guess what they mean? Do discuss with the teacher. You might think that what makes us different from animals is our ability to think and to build friendships with others. But in fact, animals are much more capable of more extraordinary things that you might imagine. Let's find out why. Exercise 1 to 6 are pertaining from the three texts that you have read. Do discuss the answers with your teachers. Let's have another discussion. What do you do to help protect the environment? In your opinion, what more can be done? Discuss with your teacher. Let's read text 1, 2 and 3 and give quick answers. Exercises 8, 9, 10 and 11 are based on the three texts that you just read. Do discuss the answers with your teacher. The greenhouse effect. What is it all about? Read the text and answer exercise 12. All right, students, we have come to the end of our lesson today. I do hope you have gained some knowledge about loving Mother Nature. Let's all do our part in protecting her. Till the next class, stay safe and thank you for attending and participating in class today. Take care, stay safe.